Good evening everyone. Thank you all for your likes and feedback. Do support me. It gives confidence to make another video. इस वीडियो में हम केमिस्ट्री कवर करेंगे. बायोलॉजी PYQ की वीडियो सेपरेट आ जाएगी. फिज़िक्स की मैंने अपलोड कर दी है. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट जनरल साइंस. केमिस्ट्री. Atomic structure. Who is regarded as the father of modern chemistry? Lavoisier. The positively charged part at the center of an atom is called nucleus. Constituent of atomic nucleus are proton and neutron. The nucleus of an atom consists of proton and neutron. The following is an incorrect option. Atom is electrically neutral due to presence of proton and electron inside the nucleus. A single type of atom is found in native element. God particle is Higgs boson. Which particle is free of charge? Neutron. The following element does not contain neutron. Hydrogen. Among X-ray, alpha particle, beta particle, gamma ray, the following carries a negative charge, beta particle. The number of electron and neutron in an element is 18 and 20. Its mass number is 38 because number of electron is equal to number of proton and mass number is equal to number of electron plus proton. Number of neutron plus proton. What is the mass number of an element, the atom of which contain 2 proton, 2 neutron and 2 electron? 4. The mass number of nucleus is the sum of the number of neutron and proton. The number of neutron in the nucleus of plutonium nuclide is 242 minus 94, 148. Isotope of an element differ in the mass number. Isotope is that nuclei of atomic nucleus in which number of proton is same but number of neutron is different. The limit of size of colloidal particle is 10 to the power minus 7 meter to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Modern atomic symbol are based on proposed method of Berzelius. Physical and chemical changes solution. An example of physical change is dissolving of sugar in water. Pasteurization is a process by which first milk is heated up to a longer time and then cooled suddenly within a specified time. The following statements are correct. Addition of salt to pure water increases the boiling point of water and decreases the freezing point of water. When methyl alcohol is added to water, boiling point of water decreases. Milk is an example of answer, an emulsion. Water passes from the soil into the root by a physical process called osmosis. The technique of chromatography is used to separate the substance from a mixture. Process of solid camphor into camphor vapor is called sublimation. The conversion of solid directly into gas is called sublimation. A mixture of sand and naphthalene can be separated by sublimation. Condensation is change of vapor into liquid. The coal is used in burning. The process of separating different liquid components of a mixture by adsorption on a suitable substance is called chromatography. Water gas is a mixture of carbon monoxide plus hydrogen. Water is an excellent cooling agent due to answer high specific heat. Chemical changes which are example of exothermic reaction. Answer ripening of fruit, setting of cement, burning of coal. Chemical change is not characterized by answer no net change in energy. Such substances which easily absorb moisture from other substance without chemical reaction are called water desiccant. Inorganic chemistry. UNESCO inaugurated the celebration of 2019 as the International Year of Periodic Table of Chemical Element to celebrate its completion of how many years? 150. What is the usual property of oxide of group 3 and 4, basic and acidic? The element found maximum in the soil layer is oxygen. Among metal, non-metal, gases and metalloid, the following is not a type of element, gases. Metals, minerals, ores, properties, uses. The metallurgical process in which a metal is obtained in a fused state is called smelting. The following is the electronic configuration of metallic element 2882. The most reactive metal among sodium, calcium, iron and potassium is potassium. The paramagnetic theory of magnetism applies to platinum. The hardest among diamond, glass, quartz and platinum is diamond. Heaviest metal among uranium, aluminium and silver is made of uranium. Heaviest metal among gold, silver, mercury and platinum is platinum. The chemical formula of sapphire ruby is Al2O3. The following statement with respect to noble metal is correct. Noble metals are found in pure form in nature. Gold is dissolved in aqua regia. Which among the following is also known as white metal? None of these. White metal is an alloy of lead and lithium. Minerals are inorganic solid. Ilmenite, which is widely distributed along the Indian coastline, is a mineral of titanium. The following is known as quicklime, calcium oxide. Slake lime hota to calcium hydroxide. The following is the main ingredient of cement. Limestone, silica clay, gypsum. To protect broken bone, plaster of Paris is used. It is gypsum. The chemical formula of plaster of Paris is calcium sulfate dot half H2O. The poorest conductor of heat among copper, lead, mercury and zinc is mercury. This metal is liquid at ordinary temperature, mercury. There is no reaction when steam passes over copper. The following iron ore is mined at Belladilla mine, hematite. The most important ore of aluminium is bauxite. Among boron, iron, silicon and aluminium, the following has highest melting point, boron. The purest form of iron is wrought iron. Some metal oxides react with acid and alkalis to form salt and water, and these are called amphoteric oxide. Example, Al2O3, zinc oxide. Alloys. Galvanized iron pipe have a coating of zinc. Alloy of this metal is used to make aeroplane and part of compartment of train, aluminium. Mercury metal mixture is mercury mixed alloy. Brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. The following are constituent of brass, copper and zinc, bronze hota, copper and tin. To make the steel hard requires increase in the quantity of carbon. Stainless steel is an alloy of iron, chromium, manganese, carbon, nickel. What happens to the weight of iron when it rusts? Increases for long time. The brass is an alloy of zinc and copper. Made from zinc, electric battery. Non-metal, which of the following do not consist carbon? Diamond, graphite, coal, none of these. The following statement about graphite and diamond is true. They can undergo the same chemical reaction. Dry ice is solid carbon dioxide. The gas which comes out an opening of soda water bottle is carbon dioxide. What is the bond order of carbon oxygen group? 3. An element X has 4 electrons in its outermost orbit. What will be the formula of its compound with hydrogen? XH4. Burning of hydrogen produces water. Chemical formula for heavy water is T2O. Heavy water is that water in which isotope take place of hydrogen. The pH value of water is 7. The gas used in the manufacture of vanaspati ghee from vanaspati oil is hydrogen. What is the shape of sulfur hexafluoride molecule? Octahedral shape. Laughing gas, nitrous oxide. Laughing gas used anesthesia by doctor is nitrous oxide. Tear gas, chlorine. Bromine is a red liquid. The pH of solution changes from 3 to 6. The H plus ion concentration will, answer, decrease 1000 times. These have pH value of 7, pure water and neutral solution. If pH value is more than 7, then basic solution. Which acid is considered as a basic chemical industry? Sulfuric acid. The following is present in maximum amount in acid rain. Sulfuric acid. Component of acid rain, nitric acid and sulfuric acid. Lime water is turned milky by carbon dioxide. Blue vitriol is chemically copper sulfate. The chemical used for destroying fungi in water tank is copper sulfate. The chemical formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 and baking soda is NaCO3. Quartz crystal used in clock are silicon dioxide. Table salt or NaCl is a product of a strong acid and a strong base by neutralization reaction. Iodized salt contains potassium iodide. What is untrue for bleaching powder? It is more soluble in water. By heating sodium chloride with another substance, acid is formed. Made from uranium, electricity. Diamond is allotrope of carbon. Acid react with the metal carbonate to release carbon dioxide. Red litmus change into blue by alkali solution, and blue litmus change into red by acidic solution. The smell of acetic acid is like vinegar. Dry HCl gas does not change the color of dry litmus paper because an aqueous medium is necessary for ionization. Under dry condition, it will not produce H3O plus and will not be able to act as an acid. Allotrope of carbon are diamond and graphite. The purest form of uncrystallized carbon is soot from lamp. Breathing in carbon monoxide polluted air is dangerous because carbon monoxide react with hemoglobin to form carboxyhemoglobin. Organic chemistry, which is the fundamental element of all organic compound, carbon. A hydrocarbon in which two carbon atoms are joined by double bond is called alkene, single bond alkane, and triple bond alkyne. The following gases used in cigarette lighter: butane. Gases used in welding are oxygen and acetylene. Number of sigma and pi bond in benzene are 12 and 3. HOOC, COOH is called oxalic acid. Fermentation of sugar led to ethyl alcohol. Glucose is converted to ethyl alcohol by the enzyme zymase. Breath test conducted by police to check drunken driver has the following on this filter paper: potassium dichromate, sulfuric acid. Natural rubber is a polymer of isoprene. The incorrect statement is acrylic is also called artificial silk as it is prepared from cotton but has shine like silk. Teflon is a polymer of tetrafluoroethylene. Lemon is citrus due to citric acid. Vinegar is a solution of acetic acid. Chemical name of vinegar: acetic acid. Quality of petrol is expressed by octane number. Main constituent of biogas: methane. LPG used as domestic fuel chiefly contain butane and a small amount of propane also. The pressure gauge is not given in the domestic LPG cylinder because they cannot represent the quantity of gas in LPG cylinder. The major component of CNG is methane. Oxygen is absent in kerosene. Food preservation, nutrition, medicine. The following substance is used in the preservation of foodstuff: sodium benzoate. Sweetest sugar: fructose. Aspirin is obtained from a tree. Aspirin is antipyretic. Antibiotic among the following is penicillin and sulfadiazine. An example of antibiotic medicine is penicillin, which is used in the manufacture of soap, vegetable oil. Soap remove grease by emulsification. Detergent used for cleaning clothes are sulfonate. What is detergent? Refining agent. For wheat cultivation, which fertilizer use nitrogen? The elements present in urea are carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. Miscellaneous. The Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2019 was awarded for the development of lithium-ion batteries. An active chemical to remove mosquito is electrin. Which chemical substance is used for making rat poison? Potassium cyanide. Skin cancer: ultraviolet light. Noise pollution: decibel. Global warming: carbon dioxide. Ozone hole: chlorofluorocarbon. The following would cause a bright red color due to bursting of cracker: strontium. In a common dry cell, electrolyte is ammonium chloride. In a car battery, electrolyte substance uses sulfuric acid. The acid used in the car battery is sulfuric acid. Aspartame, artificial sweetener. Freon, refrigerant. Neoprene, synthetic rubber. Benadryl, antihistamine. The UN Framework Convention on Climate Change deal with carbon dioxide emission mitigation and greenhouse gases emission mitigation. The incomplete burning of petrol and diesel produces carbon monoxide. What is particulate matter? Air pollutant. The positively charged particle emitted by a radioactive element is alpha rays. Is not a radioactive element. Cadmium, the letter X in X-ray means unknown, contributes to global warming through greenhouse effect: carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, water vapor. Thank you everyone.